Hi, it's Rachel Smith with RE/MAX up in Big Bear. Today, I'm going to walk you through this cute, you can even barely see it, 1429 Rock Spray A-frame with a garage, ski slope views up in Moonridge, just listed. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are from the street. This road right here is Rock Spray, going up and over, and we are on the corner of Rock Spray and Rock Spray Court. So we're going to be looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's an A-frame, and you've got a great view of Geronimo right here. So property lines going to be somewhere around here. That water meter is probably belonging to this property, so just going to be just a hair to the right of that. And so we do have driveway, garage, 1-car garage, but with this it has been converted into a game room. But you do have the parking here as well as parking up top as well. But look at this beautiful treed lot. Just really nice, really sunny up here right now too. And you're not really getting too much through traffic. As a car comes right now. But most cars aren't going to be coming up the court right here. So I always park up top, and then it's an easy access to get down into the house. Pretty flat-ish lot, but I'm going to walk you over to the other side of the property line. So we've got all this paved up here for parking. Probably could easily get 3 cars up here. And so no markers up here either, but from my understanding when I looked in the past, it looked like it was kind of to the edge of the railroad ties. So looking at the roof looks like it's in great shape, and it's pitched. That A-frame is going to keep snow, ice, moisture off of it. Then we've got some gradual steps down, not too steep. And one thing you can notice is the exterior has been painted too. So it's kind of like a hunter green with a black trim to it. Our water heater is going to be outside right here. And the deck has just been freshly painted, as well as the railings too. So let's go inside. Okay, so coming inside, there's a couple different entrances to the house. You can come into this main living room, or you could come in through the master bedroom as well. So coming in, I'm gonna kind of just pan around the room lightly, just so you get an idea of the floor plan. We've got the master over here, loft upstairs, living room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom in the back. So one thing to note is we do have hardwood floors here. So this is going to be like a laminate, darker walnut color hardwood floor. We've got a beautiful rock brick fireplace, kind of just like a brick veneer in the back, and then rock down below. And this one has been recently updated as well. And it is currently a vacation rental where they do pretty well, and has been since about 2020 too. So here we've got granite countertops, nice bar stools, storage down below, kind of like a mint green in the kitchen. Updated appliances, so we've got stove, microwave, and the fridge and the dishwasher in here. So a really cute combination of mint, granite, and then a fun backsplash too. Dual sinks. So I'm actually going to take you into the master first. And here's where we have the dining room. You can pull the table out, get more seating if you'd like. And then the living room. We do have the vaulted A-frame in here with the beautiful tongue and groove ceiling that everybody is looking for in a mountain cabin. So coming this direction, we've got the master. And so here you can go outside and enter this way, garage, ski slope views, spa out here. But for the sake of the tour, we're gonna stay in here for right now, and we'll do the outside last. So this part was added on, we believe, a while ago, because you've got the exterior siding right here that would have matched the exterior siding outside, but the floors are the same, and then we've got a newer fireplace in here as well. And then this is the paneling that you can easily paint if you want to. Oh, that's the fan up top. And then coming in here, we've got laundry in the master bathroom. We do have like a white tile in here. Pretty timeless tile. Pretty cute. I like the white, the kind of like vintage, a little bit 70s in here. And then same thing, same tile inside the master shower all the way. And then let's go up to the loft. So here we have carpet going upstairs. We've got like a little pop out for a dresser, really nice furniture, can come furnished as well. So we've got kind of like a sitting area over here, and then this is just a space, another bedroom for multiple people. I mean, you can fit 4 people up here easily. Give you this view. And then this is like a little office area too, would be nice. But it's a cute little sitting area just to sit here and look out here at the treetop views. And I think if you're low enough, you do get a ski slope view. So then coming downstairs, we'll go to the 3rd bedroom and 2nd bathroom. And this one is managed by Doormat. So coming in here, we've got another bedroom, another bathroom. So we're gonna come in here. Nice, warm and cozy vibe in here. Super cute, queen size bed, great furniture, furnishings, just really well thought out. And then closet door is a little off track. So just extra linens inside. And here we've got a locked hall closet. Same granite as in the kitchen, same flooring as in the rest of the downstairs. And then here we've got a shower. This one does have a tub. It is the plastic insert, but these are updated beveled doors. And nice floating shelves. And so our entire square footage on here is 1,300, being a 3-bed, 2-bath, and then we do have central heating as well. This is fun, a great picture of the cabin. This was 1986. You can see that it does have that addition on there back in 1986. Pretty cool. I like that history. And then coming out, this is where you could enter into the master. You can see the decks are really hardy, great condition. Got a little barbecue over here with an outdoor table and some sun chairs. And then we'll go down into, let's go look at the spa area first. I like that they did like a sunken spa here. So you've got an area to kind of sit down here, put your drinks up here, but also enjoy the spa. Nice spa too. I like that it's plastic and not wooden. And of course it's got all of its handrails for vacation rental. And then we're gonna go into the garage. So coming in, we've got just a step down and then another step down. And in here, these are like a kind of like a vinyl laminate flooring. And you can see that it's easy. I mean, like you still have a garage in here. You could still park in here if you wanted to, but they have made it super clean so that you've got it as a game room for vacation rental, but also a living room with a TV out here as well. And I mean, if you would have seen this garage a long time ago, it was crazy, but this is beautiful. They did a very good job with the drywall on it, painting everything black. Just really kind of like making it super industrial looking, clean. And that's all you need. So this one they've got listed at $650. Let me know what you think and if you want to come take a look. Bye.